is our DIN rail mount clamp, also called a channel rail clamp, or C-type DIN rail. You'll notice on the bottom there isn't a weld plate, but instead there's 2 rail nuts. With DIN rail clamps, rail nuts are used to secure the clamp instead of a weld plate. These are really convenient because they don't have to be welded individually. You can just assemble all of your clamps, slide them on the rail, and then tighten them down to keep them in place. Now, if you have a special application and you need a clamp made, we can certainly help with that. If you're having issues with the current clamps that you're using, please give us a phone call or email us, and we'd be happy to help you find a solution. Thanks so much for tuning into our channel. If you like this video and want to see more like it, please click the little red button below to subscribe. If you'd like to leave us a comment, we'd love to hear from you. Let us know what videos you want us to make in the future. Until next time, thanks for watching, and check us out at OneHydraulics.com.